Hey everybody, it's Margo here, and I wanted to show you this cute table runner box. Riley Blake has this cute little box that they put this table runner kit in, and I am just in love with this. So you can open up the box, and it is reusable. As you can see, it's got like a little magnetic opening to it, so you can put your favorite stuff back in it. So this kit is pretty easy to complete. It uses a 5-inch charm, color instructions on how to make the kit. So you get a color instruction piece on what to do and how to make this particular table runner with all good colorful instructions inside, so you can see what you're doing. And then all the fabric that you're going to need for the background, the binding, which this is the background. This is the sweetest little background with all the different little like cross stitch look pattern to it. The greens, the teals, the pink, the orange, and the brown that you're going to need for the pumpkins to make them more colorful, and the leaves for the flowers where you need a little more. Everything you need to make this table runner is in this box, and is beautifully designed by Heather Peterson. And I think you're going to love making this. Hope you enjoy it. Happy quilting!